Hi there, and welcome to third grade. My name is Miss Zelinsky. I'm going to be your child's third grade teacher this year. This is my fourth year teaching third grade, and I absolutely love this age. So I'm so excited to get to know all your kids and see the growth that they make this year in reading and math and so on. I provided some information here, so keep watching. So let's go over English language arts. So with English language arts, throughout the week, I provide small group instruction, small group reading instruction, writing instruction. I also provide every day whole group instruction in reading and writing and word study. The students do writing to a prompt. They also do writing as a response to reading, and they do independent reading. I have provided two passages. I want to compare the two. The first one is a second grade reading passage, and the second one is a third grade reading passage. So as you can see, this is a second grade reading passage. It's shorter. It has 2 paragraphs here. It only has a couple sentences, more simple vocabulary. When we get to the third grade reading passage, you can see a big difference between the second grade and third grade reading passage. The third grade reading passage, this is a biography about George Washington. So this has some headers, it's got more sentences in the paragraphs, more paragraphs, and the vocabulary is a little bit more challenging, more age appropriate. Reading is really big in third grade, and throughout the year your child is tested 3 times in reading to figure out what their DRA level is. So as you can see here, I have circled the third grade benchmark for reading. So for those who are on level in reading for third grade, they should be at a 28 at the beginning of the year. During the middle of the year, they should be at a 34, and at the end of the year, they should be at a 38. Those that are below level start off third grade at a 24, mid-year at a 28, and the end of the year at a 34. For those who need intervention, they need a little extra support in reading. Those are students who score below a 24 at the beginning of the year. If they score below a 28 in the middle of the year, they need intervention. And at the end of the year, if they score below a 34, they will need a little extra help in reading. They will get some intervention. So with that being said, it is so important for you, for your child, to read at home every day for at least 20 minutes. There are so many benefits to reading at home every day. It increases your child's vocabulary. It helps them become better readers and writers and speakers and builds more confidence. The list goes on and on. So please, please make sure that your child is reading every day for at least 20 minutes. In math in third grade, we focus on practicing our basic math facts for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we practice that through games, we practice that on Prodigy. You can also practice their math facts on using flashcards. We do math practice through worksheets. We use math games to reinforce skills that the students are learning in the classroom, and the end step is taken at the end of the year. For science, there are 3 units in science that spread throughout the year. We have earth science, physical science, and life science. And in social studies, the students learn about the history of Michigan. So I have provided here 4 different organization and responsibilities for the students. Some things to keep in mind: they should keep their belongings in a safe spot. They should check each morning what needs to be done for the day. They can check what needs to be done for the day by going to their courses, their different subject courses and going to the day of the week folder. They should complete work during independent learning time and come to meetings on time. Your child, you can offer assistance, but do not do the work for your child. I thank you so much for all your support, and I'm looking forward to a great year with all these students. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.